How we doing, YouTube? Today was my very first day of starting my Manjaro, so hopefully you can join me on this roller coaster ride or this journey. I am reviewing this. Go to my channel, check it out. I'm going to review the whole progress. I don't want to be on this no more than 6 months, so this is going to be over a 6-month period. So my very first injection was today. It's August 15, 2024. This made my first meal. 2 eggs on a tortilla bun, 12 grams of fiber, and 4 grams of carbs. Very, very low carbs. Like I said, 2 eggs with some sharp cheddar cubes inside, melting. I'll put a little bit of seasoning, a little bit of like Himalayan salt on top. Get my electrolytes in at the same time. Come on, follow me on this journey. Let's go. Let's get on this journey. Let's see what this is all about. Let's see what the Manjaro is all about. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go to my channel. Go ahead, like, subscribe, go watch the original video or my first video I posted, and it'll tell you all about my journey and what's going on with my journey.